Hello loves! Welcome to my channel! This is your Tita Laguachera, Love Miss Roan. If it's your first time to be on my channel, please watch all my previous video and subscribe. Thank you! The Titas of Loakan is back, and today we will be exploring the new luxury suites in Baguio City, Faayette, the new gem in Baguio City. The hotel is very busy during weekends, so we went there last Monday, July 5, and we are the only guests. Faayette Luxury Suites is a 55-room European-inspired boutique hotel in Baguio. It has a state-of-the-art banquet halls, meeting spaces, bar, cafe, and restaurant that are all designed to give you comfort, sophistication, and unique experiences. I think they opened their doors last March 2021 to cater all the guests and tourists of Baguio City, and just recently, they were visited by our DOT Secretary, Berna Romulo Puyat. After our pictorial, it's finally time to eat. Come on, guys! Ano in-order mo?
This is I don't know. White. What is this? White raspberry.
White raspberry, wow! And this is the birthday girl.
Happy
Hi,
birthday.
sis!
Hi!
So, Sean, ano yan?
Ako, strawberry smoothie and zero with white princess.
Wow! Pang mayaman, big girl.
Wala palang white princess yun. Princess lang pala. Ulit mo.
Ikaw, tubig lang tayo.
White raspberry pero ano pa yung oil.
Buti na lang may libre kaming kape para sa'yo. Ayan, let them eat. We really had a good time, and we actually enjoyed and loved their pasta. Hopefully on my next visit, I will be doing a staycation, especially that they have their low season rates. Let's take advantage of their low season rates from July to September. Staycation soon. Always be a responsible traveler. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.